Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily update drivers in your Windows PC. So let's get started. Go to search bar. Uh, Now click on settings, click on system. Now you will see here Windows Update. Click on it. Now just click on check for updates. It will check if your system is up to date or not. If it shows you will need update, you will get a notification here. Now I will show you the another method. Go to setting here. Now write device manager. Click on it. Windows Device Manager is always the best place to update your driver. You will get uh, options for different stuff like printers, Wi-Fi adapters, sound, video, etc. So just click on it. Like if I want to update my mice driver, right click on it. Now go to properties. Now right click on it. Now tap on update driver. It will scan if there is any update needed or not. So guys, this was the easiest method to update your drivers in Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching.